Today I'm gonna show you how to make my fossil kit. You're gonna need a bowl. I'll need some measuring spoons. Now we need some water. Need this. We will need. Now we are gonna start making our kit. In the first step, we are gonna pour the dry mix into the bowl. I'm gonna add 2.5 teaspoons of water. I use a spatula to mix everything in the bowl. It looks like the mix is still dry, and I'll drop some of water. I'm going to use my hands. I added a couple more teaspoons. The dough came together. How the dough is gonna look. That's how the dough should look like to be ready to use. I'm rolling the dough into a long sausage shape. I'm gonna use my string. Hold the dough up to look like an marmalade. You put a little water right there to it to be stickier. Then you can put a little spikes in it. If you like, you can put some spikes. If you like, you can make it as a Christmas ornament. With the straw, poke a hole in it. Now we are gonna bake it for 3 hours in 215 degrees Fahrenheit. Here it is, ready for the oven. How it will look after it's baked.